For today's lesson, we're going to break down the chemistry and use of EDTA, which stands for ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. And it has a molecular structure depicted here in black, which is composed of 4 carboxylate groups outlined in red, which help it to serve its main purpose, which is binding to metals. So in medicine, EDTA is primarily used for heavy metal poisoning, and particularly for lead, but it can also be used for mercury or zinc. And that's because when it's prescribed, EDTA is able to bind to those metals on those carboxylate groups and form stable water-soluble compounds. Those compounds can then be excreted from the body through one's urine. So essentially, EDTA is acting as a sponge for those heavy metals, allowing it to be relieved and not causing as much damage. Additionally, in medicine, EDTA is used as an anticoagulant. So if you've gone and had your blood taken, you may notice that a healthcare worker will shake that vial after it's been taken. And that's typically because those vials are lined with EDTA. And EDTA is able to also bind to calcium on those carboxylate groups, and calcium is critical for blood clotting cascades to occur. Therefore, when EDTA is added as an anticoagulant, we can slow down that blood clotting cascade, allowing that blood to be used for a variety of tests that are needed. EDTA can also be used to decrease water hardness in soaps and detergents, as well as a food stabilizer, since it can bind to trace elements of metal, which can sometimes be oxidized and cause discoloration. Additionally, it can be used in cosmetics, such as in makeup or in perfumes. And it's important to note that if one is prescribed EDTA for a medical purpose, that it can cause serious kidney damage as well as dangerously low calcium levels, so it's important to consult with one's healthcare provider. But if you have another chemistry molecule that you want to learn more about, make sure to drop a comment on this video and stay connected to my channel and with Dane Garvin. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you're not already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel by clicking over here, and you may also enjoy this related video that I have over here. I'll see you on the next one.